Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip I will show you how to search for a correct IFC class for the object that you created in your project. So here, as an example, I created a toilet in my favorite BIM authoring tool, and when I look at the data of the toilet, I want to select the correct IFC class and maybe then predefined type. So if I look at the IFC class list, there's lots of possibilities, and I don't know how to classify the toilet. What do I do? The first option is to search buildingSMART data dictionary. The link will be in the description box below. So here in the buildingSMART data dictionary, I will go to search bSDD. And here I will search for the term that I'm looking for. So I will type in toilet, hit enter, and I've got all of these results. There's 150 results, which is quite a lot because bSDD includes not only IFC classes, but also some CCI classification, ETIM classification, etc. So I want to limit my search only to IFC classes. So I will go down here and search for IFC, only IFC objects. And here the results are more limited. And what's important is to look at these symbols because they mean it's a property, class, material, or group of properties. So I'm interested only in those classes. So I see two classes here, TOILETPAN and WC Seat. So I will open them. And here I've got the TOILETPAN class, where here is a description and definition, and actually this makes sense to me, so I know that IFC class is IFC sanitary terminal and the toilet pan is the predefined type. If I look at the other class that the search outputted, it's again IFC sanitary terminal and WC seat, but I can see here that it has been deprecated. So this is the class that I'm searching for, IFC sanitary terminal toilet pan. So now if I go back to my BIM authoring tool, I will set the class for S as sanitary terminal, and the predefined type is not bath but toilet pan. So I've got my toilet properly classified. So bSDD is one of the options how to search for proper IFC class. The next option is BonsaiBIM IFC class search page. Again, the link will be in the description box below. And here, this is much more straightforward and it only searches for IFC classes. So here I've got my search field. So I will write toilet, and the search is very fast and it immediately shows up and highlights where the toilet search term is shown. So here I've got toilet pan, and also there's a toilet word here, but I know the cistern is not my desired predefined type. And here again it also showed IFC valve type as a class, or IFC valve class, but I know that this is not what I'm searching for because it's the valve. So here I know that the IFC class is IFC sanitary terminal, and from the description the toilet pan is the one that is best suited for my object. The advantage of BonsaiBIM IFC class searching is that you can filter also by IFC version. So if you are still working with IFC 2.3, you can switch to searching in this IFC version. You cannot do that in buildingSMART data dictionary because only 4.3 is there. And the third option that you might find useful is bSDD Assistant Chatbot, created by Artur Tomczak. He also created bSDD, I think. And this one is basically ChatGPT plugin with bSDD data. So you've got some examples of how you can use this bSDD assistant. And for my purpose, I wanted to know which class should I use for the toilet. So I will ask which IFC class should I use for toilet. Hit enter, and I will wait for ChatGPT to give me the answers. And this one, it gives you also some reasoning, which is also nice. But sometimes it doesn't give the proper information. Sometimes you have to massage it. But here the information is really nice. So you can see that the first one is the one that is correct. And here also, if you got the reference, so you can also open the reference to see directly in the bSDD if you don't trust the ChatGPT. So this might be also quite useful. Sometimes I have better results with the GPT version. Sometimes I have better results in the straight bSDD version, like the normal search. And sometimes I prefer to search in BonsaiBIM IFC search because it's very fast and very straightforward. So this is how I search for the correct class of the model that I created. I hope it was useful, and I will see you in the next one.